Hi there, welcome to my tutorial on being able to find the area of a triangle using the formula 1/2ab sin c. We use this formula when we don't know the height of the triangle or the base of the triangle, but we know an angle and we know two sides, like we've got in this example here. We have to label this triangle correctly, and this labeling comes from the sine and cosine rule. And we start off labeling the angle that we've got as a big C. If you remember, the opposite to the angle is the opposite side to the angle will be little c, and then this one would be little a, this would be uppercase A, this side little b, this side uppercase B. That's how we label a triangle when we're using these types of formulas. It also applies to the sine and cosine rule. Now let's have a look at this example then and use this formula to do this. We label the angle that we know as C. Now we do that because that's what we need, the thing that we've got in the formula, sin C. So we have to have the angle as C. The other sides in the formula, we've got A and B. So these must be labelled as A, and little b. We don't have to label the corners, the angles here, in the uppercase A and B. That's not important because we haven't got those in the formula. Once we've done that, it's just a case of plugging in these values into the formula. So let's write it out. We've got the area is going to be 1/2 times A, which is 8, times B, which is 7, times sin 30. Now, you could type sin 30 on the calculator to give you 0.5. In actual fact, you could just at this stage just type this all into your calculator and that will give you the correct answer. General rule is if it's all on one line, you can just type it into the calculator as it is. I'm going to work this out for you to show you how we build up the answer. So area is going to equal 1/2 times 8 times 7. Well, 8 times 7 is 56, so I'm going to write 1/2 times 56, and sin 30 I've told you is 0.5 or 1/2 again. So I've got 1/2 times 56 times 1/2. Well, 1/2 times 1/2 is 1/4, so that would become area is 1/4 times 56. 1/4 times 56 is going to give you 14. So the area is 14 and the units centimetre squared because it's an area.